Good morning, good morning, good morning, my gorgeous peeps. How you all going today? Janine here again, guys, rocking it out for my gorgeous, amazing and beautiful over 40s gang. So this morning, guys, I wanted to show you one of my very fast makeup looks that I do before I go to work. It's totally fast, and we're going to use just pretty much one product, and it's just going to be my NARS Cream Bronzer, which I'll show you here. Where is it? NARS, it's a Sunkissed Bronzing Cream. So delicious, so good, my peeps. I just can't tell you how amazing this stuff is. It makes you glow, it makes your skin look so natural, it makes you look like you've had a slight suntan. It's gorgeous. So I love this one here. I used it in my last video. It's Laguna. That's a shade. We can also go the darker one here, which is Casino. Haven't really, it's a little bit dark, I think, for my skin, that one, but you know, we could even use that today, give it a go. But we're going to use this, guys, as our only product pretty much. Note, I have done my base. You don't need to. You could even wear no foundation. I use the Pat McGrath, what is it? This morning, guys, I use my beautiful Pat McGrath Skin Fetish foundation. I love this one. So thin, so sheer. Kind of reminds me of that Dior Skin, which I love. Some people don't like it, but it's perfect for me. It's very watery and thin. Still has very good coverage. Well, not full coverage, but I'd say medium. You can build it up if you like, but I don't have time for that. You could even go for a slight skin tint like this instead of foundation. I wear this all the time. It's my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, and it's a very glowy, what I call it, a moisturizer. Well, it's very thin. You've got to try it. I wear this on the weekends all the time. You could wear nothing. I usually wear nothing if I'm doing a look like this. So I need to get to work. So this is my very quick before work makeup look. It'll take us less than 5 minutes, guys. Note, I have done my foundation. You don't need to wear any of that, actually. So we're gonna hit it very quickly, and I'll show you how I do it. You'll get an exceptionally gorgeous, beautiful look. Nothing dramatic, just, you know, I'm not in that mode to be plastering on a whole heap of shimmers and stuff like that, not even mattes, to be honest, today. So I'm pretty in a very relaxed mode. It's Friday over here, but I still want to look very presentable and good at work, eh? So that's our goal. Hold on up. Okay, my peeps, I'm ready, eh? Let's go for it. So I've done my foundation. I haven't even bothered putting concealer or anything on. I'm not in that mode today, and I just don't feel like doing that. I want to do something very easy, fast, and I'm like that most of the week, to be honest. I'm not some person that goes, actually, hang on. I'm not that person that goes chucking on shimmers and metallics and jewelry creams every day. Actually, okay, I take that back. Okay, half of the week. Half? Okay, a third of the week, that's me. The jewelry cream, shimmered, matted, smoked out eye look. But yeah, I like to be in that mode as well of just pretty much looking natural. Some days I can't be bothered too, guys, you know. It's like, you know, just can't be bothered. So that's the kind of buzz I'm on today. So let's get going with our beautiful NARS Cream Bronzer. I am wondering if I should use the darker one, Laguna, or my lighter one, Laguna, or my lovely Casino, which I have not tried yet. I'm going to go for Casino because it's darker. And let's try that out, see how much darker that is to my skin tone, but that might be perfect for the eyes, eh? So let's do it. I'm going to grab myself a mirror. Get yourself a fluffy brush, my peeps, and we're going to pop it into this lovely cream bronzer. I haven't tested this color out yet, so I'm going to be a bit wary of it. But it's only a cream bronzer. Let's get that all over the eyes, eh? As an eyeshadow. Let's do it fast. Fast. Wow, look at that. A lovely wash of colour, and it's so creamy too. What do you think? Darken it up a bit more? Need a bit more? I love it. That's gorgeous. Just using this cream bronzer, guys. Bring it out a bit too, like over here is a good trick. And just put a light wash, not wash, a light fluff over the eyelids, eh? Just to cover them. Now I think that looks lovely. What do you think? Very natural. You could go more hard out. You could have had more on if you wanted, but I'm happy with that. Very fast. Now we could do the bottom lash line as well, which we will do. To be totally honest, guys, I would usually not wear a cream bronzer under my lash line, but I'm gonna give it a go. Grab yourself a smaller brush. Just using a bit of that. Nothing too dramatic. What do you think? You could put more under there. So soft too. I love that. I mean, that is nothing ultra amazing, of course, but you know, that's given us something. It's given us something to wear and to make us look decent, eh? Hold on up. Okay, my peeps, I'm very happy with that. You know, it's nothing dramatic. It's nothing that's going to blow anyone away. That's not the kind of look we're looking for today, right? We're fast. So that was just with that. Right, let's liven the face up. So get yourself any fluffy brush. I'm using this one. I should be using another. I'm just going to use this one. Dip it in there. Let's do the cheeks, eh? Bronzer. Whoa. Definitely a darker colour on me, but I love it. And I think with these nudie looks as well, when you're not wearing much, you do actually want to go for a darker tone of bronzer. Yeah. I mean, I don't mind it one bit. And I love this formula. Get a little bit more on your brush, guys, and we're going to chisel out that jawline, eh? Just to sharpen us up and make us look even a little bit more snatched. Under here. Go actually from here, from your ear, right along that jawline. And then you've really got to buff that out. You don't want to be seeing a line there, eh? I'll snatch my over 40s out. Just make sure that that bronzer is all... Sometimes my problem is, guys, that I put bronzer up here and I don't frickin' blend it properly. But it looks pretty all good to me. That's it. That is totally it, my peeps. What do you think? Nothing major. I could snatch my nose out and we'll do that, eh? I'm just trying to be a little bit more extra today, guys. So I'm going to snatch my nose out using this bronzer and I'll show you how fast it is. Grab a mirror. Dip a smaller brush into that bronzer. Start here. It doesn't need to be precise, guys, not at all. Chop off the sides, which is what I like to do. Ooh. Try not to get too much bronzer in the middle. Okay, it's good like that, guys. And now we just use our finger and just quickly tap that. Got to get up there, eh? And just melt it in. You don't want to be wiping away the actual bronzer. You just tap it out like that. So there's no harsh line. That's the whole... Whoa. The tip, I like to do my tip on my nose because my nose is I got what you call a moldy nose, guys. I'm moldy, half moldy, half Dutch, that's what I am, if anyone's wondering. And that's it for that. Very simple, just really sharpens me up a lot more. Look, makes me look a little bit more snatched, if you know what I mean. So that would be it, besides eyebrows. Sorry guys, eyebrows are a total must. You've got to have those. Hold up. It's an absolute must that we put eyebrows on, guys. The look, you just don't even look. I mean, even on a no makeup day, please try and wear eyebrows. If you've got amazing, gorgeous, fluffy eyebrows already, you are one of the blessed ones and you do not need this step, so, but I do. Okay, so I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury's Brow Lift and Supermodel. So fast, so quick. Kind of just like that, guys. And I'm happy with that. I mean, nothing over the top. I'm looking decent. Yeah, I'm not going to put on any blush or anything, even though I really want to, but you know, I want to feel normal. Another thing, which is an absolute staple, guys, is mascara, I feel, especially for my little tiny eyes, as you can see. And I'm sorry, we're not finished, a little bit of eyeliner on the top. I need this because of my tiny, tiny eyes, and I need to make them look a little bit bigger. That is so fast. See, it just kind of makes you look more put together. It makes you look like you've actually just taken some damn time out, which we have. Last final step, guys, is the mascara, which just brings it all together. It makes you look like you've made effort. It makes you, it really, really does. It makes it look as though you've put an effort to do your face this morning, eh? And it brightens your eyes up. It makes my little tiny eyes bigger. And I've got hooded tiny little beady eyes. So I love to put mascara on, even if I'm not wearing makeup. I also like to do the bottom lashes. And then we have it, my peeps. There we have it. That's the finished look. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I will go away and I'll do my hair later. I might just even leave it like this for the day, eh? Because sometimes I just, you know, I want to not do much. No, bobby pins are my saviors these days, guys. Bobby pins, because you know I'm still growing my hair back to its lovely luscious self, but that's the way I do it, guys. On top of that, I would either put on a clear lip gloss for those very, very, very fast days, but today I'm going to add a little bit of this Proper Beauty lipstick. This is the one in Limitless. I got all their nudie ones, very cheap, very amazing, lovely darky colors. I have worn these a few times, guys, and I mean, I like them. They look good at the beginning, but I feel like the formula runs off my lips so fast. So I'm going to test this color out today because it suits me dress. It's kind of orangey. Look at this. I'm all stripy. So I love the colors that Proper Beauty has in their lippies, but I'll see how I feel about them. I mean, I don't want to say anything. Packaging is not that great for me, but you know, what I expect some damn Natasha Denona for this price. But I'm loving trying out new brands at the moment, guys, and I'm trying. I wouldn't call them drugstore ones because I've tried all those back in my day, and you know, I'm kind of just wanting to test out all these indie brands, everything really. I love testing out everything new. I snatch up palettes that I love really fast, so yeah, that's me. But I'm going to try this Proper Beauty Beauty lipsticks out today. Like I said, I did wear a couple of their darker shades and I noticed they were not on my lips at lunchtime. So yeah, they feel a bit lovely colours, don't get me wrong. But I think it might be when I'm eating my lunch or something like that, but I will test it out. We'll see. We never know. I love to give all beauty brands a go and not say anything bad about anybody unless we know the full results. So here's the looks, my peeps. Nothing major, as you can see. Very au naturel. And that, my peeps, is my very, very fast go-to before work makeup look. I don't even know if you call it a makeup look, my peeps, but yeah, this is it. So, what do you think? You guys have a beautiful, excellent day, and I've got an amazing video coming up for you guys very shortly, where I'm going to be showing you my full makeup collection. I might do it in stages actually, because I have so much of it. So I will let you know when that's up, but I hope you enjoyed this look. This look is for us very fast mamas who are working our asses off out there in the morning. Even if you're not you're not working. Mummies are always working our asses off. The hardest job in the world is to look after these kids. I know, I got 5 of them. And I'll tell you one thing, sometimes you just don't want to do your face up. You just want to get out the damn door, right? It's a mission even to get out the damn door. So this was a good way of doing it, using our beautiful Casino Sunkissed Bronzing Cream from my gorgeous NARS, who I absolutely love. Oh, their products. I love so many beauty companies, cosmetic companies. But I hope you have a great day, guys. I am praying for positivity today and no negativity. Shh, stay away from me. So I'll catch you guys soon in another awesome video, eh? See you later.